We got a midnight snack. Toasted Nutella and chocolate and sugar. We'll try it. In 3, 2, 1. Thumbs up. Quadruple thumbs up. Infinite thumbs up. It's really, really, really good. Bye, guys.